Hi guys, welcome back. Unfortunately, I have a project to do today. Usually we like to do projects on a car. This time I don't. Went to dinner the other night, went to park out the back of a parking lot as we all like to. It was a very busy evening. Went to park next to a curb. I just got these front splitter on my car along with the rockers, but wasn't used to the extra distance on it and ended up skipping off a curb. Take a look. Right there. So the project attempt today is I'm gonna try to do a DIY little fix on it. It's way down here at the bottom. It's actually pretty visible, but almost nobody's seen it. The car shows I've been to, the car meets, nobody's seen it unless I pointed it out. So I think I can get away with doing a little Dremel. I'm gonna polish it up. I'm gonna sand it down, polish it up. I've got the correct color here in a paint pen and polish pens all together. I've got a Dremel and all the appropriate sanding stuff, polishing stuff. So I'm gonna give it a try here. I'll just do a quick time lapse on this. I'll give you guys a quick before and after and show you how it turns out. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. If it ends up being a poor job, I'll probably just pay to get it done. I've got a notch on the hood of my car that happened the third day I ever drove it. Something hit the hood of my car, and I've got like an inch long gash in the paint all the way down through it. So I got to get some paint work done anyway, but I'm gonna give a try down here on this one and see how it goes. So we'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, I've got it sort of prepped pretty well. Now I've got the this thing busted out. I use this abrasive tip that comes with this. Once I have it sort of sanded down, so hopefully this will give it a little bit of texture for this to adhere to. And got it pretty smoothed out. Took away a lot of the grooves that were in there from the curb. So it's relatively smooth now, and then this is all a primer and paint in one. AC Delco. This is supposed to be the correct paint for our carbon flash. Can't really tell. I mean, it straight looks black, but yeah, put it in this light over here. There's a little sparkle to it, so fingers crossed. Boy, I could do it. I just don't have the best light. And that turned out pretty good. Saved me $800. Calling it a done deal. Success. See you at the next one.